same way. It's just the rest are on a different part of the beats, of the measure rather. Okay?
1, 2,
and 3, and 4, and 2.
Yeah, now, that was great, but it was a little too long, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Because you're a little bit late. So just use less bow. That's the whole thing about bow distribution. You have to either use more or less. And in this case, because you have quarter notes and at this tempo, it has to be a little less bow. Okay? All right. Okay, so before you start practicing, this is what I want you to do. You don't have to count the whole measure, but you want to give yourself some preparatory beats. So I would say 3 and 4 and then start. So you don't have to do the whole, counting the whole measure before you start. Just try doing 3 and 4 and, all right? So 3 and 4, go.
3 and 4 and.
Awesome.
4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and.
That was amazing. Give me 5. That was so good. I've got a strong right arm. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so now here's the thing. You counted on the rest, but what happened to 1 and 2?
They were played on.
Right, but you have to count out loud on those
Oh,
two.
yeah.
Right? So it's okay, because you played it so beautifully. All right, now I want to try the next one. Now what do we got now? I'm with my students on that a lot. When they have to play a very loud note, they're gone. The bow's gone. They have nothing left. So they're learning how to press, and it's very difficult sometimes to do that. But I want you to try it again. I want you to think about how much bow do you really need to get that whole.
Maybe half of the
Half.
bow.
You could try it. Or
3 and 4.
let's see.
1, 2. Yes.
What happened to 2 and?
Oh yeah. 1 and 2 and.
Correct. Try it again. That was a great start.
3 and 4 and. 1, 2. 4. Oh yeah. 1 and 2 and.
Okay. 1 and 2 and. Did I use my whole bow?
No. Well, yeah, you did.
I went from here, that's the frog, to the what?
Tip.
Yeah, so I used my whole bow. Now, could I use less? Sure.
Yeah, probably.
1 and 2 and. It's all about how you decide to pull the bow. In this case, use your whole bow. And then when you go back, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to count.
3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
But you lifted your bow.
Oh, oops.
But you know what? Can I just say?
Yeah.
That was perfect.
Thanks.
So just don't lift your bow because you got to go the other direction.
Yeah, you do.
You don't want to walk backwards, do you?
No.
I don't know what that meant just now.
I know, here.
Okay, go ahead, try it again. That was good.
Yeah.
Don't forget to count.
3 and 4 and. 1, 2.
No lifting.
3 and 4 and. 1, 2, 3.
No, you're doing half notes, baby.